to cut the cake. Okay, here goes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Happy birthday
to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday.
Come on, everybody, clap. Mario's the happiest guy in the world right now. Okay, this was too formal. Let me sing a song for him. And here it goes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mario. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you. This tuja solmazo. This ore kosheto. Happy birthday muron. Ugras to tatuzo. Zolmato dis duzo clap. Zolmato dis duzo. Ason keron solansato. Zolmato dis duzo. Okay, Mario's the happiest guy. As he shares the cake with his wife, and his wife puts a piece of cake in his mouth, we can call upon Anthony De Silva to raise the toast to Mario. Can I call upon Mr. Anthony De Silva? As I know, he's being called brain box, is it?
I'm sorry, I got a lot of chest infection, so bear with me for my voice. So formal job now. Mario, I know him just at least more than 3-4 years. I don't know how he was able to have patience with me. Normally, he doesn't have patience with his wife, I think. But he has a lot of patience with me. Because I'm actually English thought because I see a lot of crowd who can understand more English also. So, सबके बाय देखो मुझे करना इतना हाथ दो ना इन जाओगे फोन करो you don't talk to me why I'm phone केला ले तू आपण busy मोटा and then I say it's okay we'll talk tomorrow. So in all these years I just want to spotlight two important characters and blessings. Either when I criticize him, I criticize him in private. But let me appreciate him in public. One is, by next day morning he's perfect. Second thing is his enthusiasm and I think I'm sure his friends will know this. He will take more than he can chew. Always he want to do something very much which एक सत्य खबर असना whether these things are achievable or not. That's again a positive side. There is a saying, you aim at the stars and you'll fall on the clouds. That is the second part. And the final, I think he is, in our generation, he was the last son to listen to his parents, and probably is the first father to listen to his children. कित्याक तेगे दोगांक भुरगीं ठिकाणी ती ते कमांड कोताय घरा कडेन. And then finally he plays the victim card. मागीर म्हाका फोन करता तूं जाण काय म्हणटलो ही भुरगीं सगळीं मामी हाडीन. अरे हांवें म्हणलें 90% भुरगीं मामी हाडीन आसताय. So don't take it to your heart. And last and final, I thank his wife, Dia, daughter, and both the son. And this baby is so active. She was, think both was an active lady to Zogli Chakli Karna Notale. Then I asked her, will you dance with me? Give me the chakli first. So a business girl. Okay. So thank you very much. And Devbaraguru Sobilang, having a party, and I'm proud of you as a family. Thank you very much, Devbaraguru.
Thank you, Anthony De Silva, for the lovely words. Okay, Mario.
It's wonderful evening, and for my 50th birthday, yeah, of course, I still look young. Because they can speak alone. So, and also like age is just a number. Age is just a number, so it is like, and I'm also thankful to God for giving me this 50 years, and I'm just looking forward to come to be a Sachin Tendulkar with a century very soon in another 50 years. I would also like to thank my brothers. Sorry, I forgot about Anthony sir, brain box. Okay. A big thanks to Anthony sir because तो केन्ना कितें ना म्हणा म्हाका नुस्त्या म्हाका रोखडें नुस्तें येता. Okay, so Romeo, your turn to sing a song now, please.
Turun posli keli